this is Rattantree office chair with 360 degrees rotation seat and adjustable armrest. So you can read the instruction, easy to set up, and where you should go about it. Put this inside out. So it's in. It's in. Just need to put it inside and give it a whack. Okay. Okay. L4, which is the cap, covers, the cap goes in here just to cover it up. Okay, this is where it goes. Now you have so this is F, goes in here. Now you put H, put this end here, then use screw P. Okay, exactly what I use. Okay, use P1 to tighten it up. Put this on the floor, then take this end, then use J4 screw. So you need J4 screw, 4 of those. So 4 of those goes in here. Now use Allen key number N to tighten this up all the way down. Okay, it's in. Now the next thing to do, you need to take armrest. So you need a longer screw with the washer, then go in and tighten this. It's in. Do the same thing, take the washer. You need a longer screw for this, then go into the second one. Okay, it's in. Now tighten it. Do the same thing to this end. Okay, go in. The longer screw and the washer is what you need. Then put the washer in. Go in. Do this next. In. So you need to make sure you use the correct washer. Okay. Now the next, to take this end. So you take the screw, this end, this screw goes to this. Take the next screw, go in here. Okay, and this in, tighten it. Now the next is to put this end. Okay, so what I did is I used a longer screw to make this more stable and tighten it up properly. So this goes over. Nice. This is nice chair. then use this cover. Once you tighten it up properly, then use the cover to cover it up to this end. Nice. Okay, so guys, this is a chair I ordered. Thank you very much.